So here are some of the new plants that we bought.
Arghentrock.
This is an air plant. This is the chain of love, right? Look at those pink flowers. The chain of love flowers. Cadena de Amor. Alright guys, so this is the Cadena de Amor. And look at those flowers. And as you can see, it's now, here we go. Sorry about that. It's grown quite long, see? I think it's more than a meter now in length. I don't know what's the right thing to do for this. Do we use a pole here? Do we stick a pole in there? Or I don't know. Do you have any ideas? If so, please comment below. And this is the scented bush. If you take a piece of this branch, smell it. It smells like expensive perfume. Alright, so Lorena here is putting some soil into some plastic pots. Yes. So this isn't actually soil. This is actually worm poop. Yes. That dark stuff is earthworm poop. Now the brown stuff, I'm not sure what it is, but it's very powdery. I think it's mulch. I think it's from compost heap. Yeah, there you go. So what? This plant? This? Okay, this plant will go in there. You know, some people like to remove the earthworms from their pots, but the earthworms actually help the plant grow because of the nutrients. So when repotting plants, it's best to keep the plant a bit raised, slightly above the level of the top part of the pot, so slightly just above it, and at least some of the roots are ideally exposed, so that produces an aesthetic. So instead of the plant looking like this, yeah, with the roots all embedded in, the plants will have some character. See, it's like a bonsai, like what you do with a bonsai. Okay, so now this side. Okay, so this is Spanish moss. So this kind of moss is found, is harvested from trees. So they grow on trees, and they're often used as covering for the soil, especially for bonsai plants. So they're ideal as a soil cover because they prevent moisture from escaping. And also they produce a decorative surface. It's like a carpet. There you go. So this is perfect for ornamental plants. So we've got the plant transplanted in the pot, raised a little bit from the edge, the top edge of the pot, and then we're adding the plant covering. So ideally, because the original soil of the plant has hardened, it's ideal you can poke a barbecue stick through the dirt so that it can be loosened, so that air can circulate inside and nutrients can go in, so we didn't bother to loosen the dirt, so you can loosen it afterwards. Yeah. There you go. This is the moss. Just patch it. There you go. Okay, so here we go. We have another pot and we have another plant. So it's the same plant, but this time we have a larger pot. And yeah, so we're transplanting this plant here in anticipation for further growth. So in just a few months, this plant will grow bigger. So because it will be in a larger container. There you go. Adding more worm poop. Yeah, our plants need worm poop. There you go. You can actually break up this solid soil because it's hardened too much. So if you break it up a little, you can let air in, more nutrients in, and it can help the plant to adapt by mixing in a bit of the new soil. There. This soil is actually very satisfying because it's like powder. I'm sure it came from the compost heap. It's made of disintegrated plant matter. It's very rich. We were shaping the soil into a mound, and then we will be putting the soil cover. So we're now adding the soil cover. There. Here you go. Look at those two beauties. What's this plant called? Okay guys, there you go again. If you know the name of this plant, just comment below. We're not that much knowledgeable about plants. We just love plants and we just love planting. So we plant them, but we don't know what they're called. So help us out. There you go. This plant, this is your favorite. Okay guys, so this is a cute plant and it's Anna's favorite. And if you notice, this pot, this is actually a cooking pot called a palayok. So this pot has been damaged, and so now it's a flower pot. So see this black residue coating, so that's carbon from cooking. We used to cook our nilaga and sinigang here. So now it's a plant pot. I actually prefer pottery to plastic pots because earthenware pots are actually more sustainable. Look at this. So we're trying to replant this cadena de amor, this chain of love. As you can see, the soil has hardened quite a bit, and so it doesn't fit in this pot. So Anna's removing some of the soil, but yeah, it needs to be done for it to fit into this pot. Okay, so as you can see, we used the brute force technique. After removing some of the soil, Anna forced it down into the new pot. Okay, I'm not saying we're experts. As I said, we just love to plant. Yeah. We because it can be so satisfying.
Sorry. Hindi ako plantita.
Alright, so there you go. We got all these plants now. So there you go, guys. That's it for this episode. See you around.
Arghentrock.